How to fix error code 2153 to 1540 when playing game on Nintendo Switch Lite, Nintendo Switch, or Nintendo Switch family. Here's some troubleshooting tips that may help you with the error code 2153 to 1540 on your Nintendo machine. 1. Hold the power button for 12 seconds, then try updating your console to the latest version. System settings, system update. Notes: 1. If you are unable to update the console, your console will need to be repaired. Contact Nintendo for support. 2. If you're running version 2.0.0 or later, follow that error window and press the power button.